Abhivadaye. We all light lamps at home. A lamp is called Deepaha in Sanskritam. This word comes from the root word Deep, which means to shine, to burn or to glow. So, Deepyate, Deepayati va swam paramcha iti Deepaha. That is, one that glows or one that makes the other glow is called a Deepaha. And Deepavali is the Sanskrit name for the festival Diwali. Deepavali is Deepanam Avalihi. Avalihi means row and Deepanam Avalihi means a row of lamps. During Deepavali, earthen lamps are arranged in a row and it's a very beautiful sight. We shall look at some shlokas and mantras that are related to light. Initially, 2 simple shlokas will be discussed. Later, I will be taking up some very interesting mantras from the Upanishads that are related to light. And in the end is a beautiful conversation about light between a guru and his disciple. It will get more and more interesting, so stay tuned. The first shloka is a very simple one that can be chanted while lighting a lamp. It goes like this. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhana sampadah dvesha buddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute. Here we are telling the lamp, Tvam meaning you, Shubham kuru, do good, that is bring auspiciousness. Kalyanam kuru, again do good things. Arogyam kuru, bring good health. Dhana sampadaha kuru, bring wealth. The second line says, Dvesha buddhi vinashaya, for destroying the hatredness. Dvesha buddhi is the hatred and vinasha is destruction. So, Dvesha buddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute means for the destruction of hatred in me, O light of the lamp, I bow to you. The next shloka is, Deepajyotif parabrahma Deepajyotir janardana Deepo haratu me papam Deepajyotir namostute. The meaning is, the light of the lamp Deepajyotihi is the Parabrahma, the ultimate supreme reality. Deepajyotihi janardana, meaning the light of the lamp is Janardana, that is Vishnu. Deepo haratu me papam, may the lamp remove negativity. By the way, the oil lamp is said to remove negative vibrations in the place. You can actually feel it when you light a lamp, you feel so good. And finally, the verse says, Deepajyotir namostute, I bow down to the light of the lamp. Going deeper, in the Vedic tradition, the light is not looked as just a light, but is equated to knowledge, to positivity, to goodness, and also equated to spiritual upliftment. The next mantra is from the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. It is a very popular Shanti mantra which is simple but profound. Om asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The meaning is, Asataha ma sadgamaya. Ma means me, gamaya means make me go. So make me go from where to where? Asataha, from asat. Asat is unreality, to where? To sat, to reality. In Sanskrit, sat refers to is. In the present moment, my isness is the only reality. Everything else is the projection of our mind. So the first line is saying, lead me from unreality to reality. The second line says, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Tamas means darkness and Jyotihi is light. So this line says, lead me from darkness to light. In the Vedic tradition, darkness denotes ignorance and light denotes spiritual knowledge that frees us from bondages. The third line says, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya, meaning lead me from Mrityu to Amritam. Mrityu is death, that is mortality, something which is not permanent, and Amritam is immortality, which is that which never dies, and that is nothing but the all-pervading Supreme Brahman. And Om Shanti 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 means peace, peace and peace. Just by saying this, you will feel very peaceful. Going further deeper into the concept of light, in the Vedantic tradition, in the Upanishads, light is considered as a representation of that which is within all of us and is illuminating everything, it is also called Atma Jyoti. Here is a beautiful verse from Mundakopanishad. It is also found in the Kaṭhopaniṣad. In my family, we all chant this when we do the Karpura Arati during any puja. It goes like this. Na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam nema vidyuto bhanti kuto ayam agnihi tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. The meaning is, tatra suryaha na bhati. There the sun does not shine. Tatra means there. And na chandra tarakam, nor do the moon, chandra, neither do the stars, taraka. So it says the moon and the stars are also not shining there. Na imaha vidyutaha bhanti, these lightnings are also not lighting on their own actually. Kutaha ayam agnihi, and how can the agni, that is when the sun, moon, stars and lightning are not lighting up or shining on their own, how can the agni do it? Because sun, moon, stars are such huge sources of light when compared to Agni, the terrestrial fire, which is so small. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. He is shining and everything else is shining after him. Here he is referring to the Brahman, that all-pervading, ever-existing reality of which we are all a segment of. So this line says he alone is shining and everything else is shining after him. And the last line says, Tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. From his light, everything is lighted up. For easy understanding, an example of a heated iron can be taken. When an iron is heated nicely, it becomes red to the extent that it looks like fire. It gives light and it has the ability to burn. But does iron have this ability by itself? Of course not. It got this ability to give light and burn from the fire. Only if you heat the iron in the fire for a long time, you get this kind of iron. Similarly, the sun, the stars, the lightning do not have the ability to give light on their own. They get this ability from the ever luminous Brahman. If you notice this mantra, it has addressed all the sources of light on all three levels. Agni is the terrestrial fire, Vidyut, that is lightning, is the atmospheric fire, and sun, moon and stars are celestial sources of light. A verse from the Bhagavad Gita also conveys the same idea. The 12th shloka in the 15th chapter goes like this. Yadadityagatam tejo jagadbhasayate khilam yat chandramasi yat chagnau tat tejo vidhi mamakam, which means the light from the sun which illuminates the world. Yat chandramasi, that in the moon, meaning the light in the moon. Yat cha agnau, that light in the Agni, the fire. Tat tejaha mamakam vidhi, know that splendor is mine. This is what Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is said to be the essence of all Upanishads and it is clearly visible here. To further understand the meaning conveyed by the verse Natatra suryo bhati, we shall look into this Eka Shloki written by Adi Shankaracharya. This shloka conveys the message of Advaita philosophy. The shloka is actually a conversation between the Guru and Shishya. Kim jyotistava bhanumanahani me ratrau pradipadikam syadevam ravidipa darshana vidhau kim jyotirakhyāhi me chakshustasya nimilanadi samaye kim dhīrdhiyo darshane kim tatrāhamato bhavan paramakam jyotistadasmi prabho. As I said before, this is actually a conversation between the Guru and the disciple which is captured in the form of a shloka. First, the Guru asks, Kim Jyotihi Tava, which means what is your source of light? The student answers, Me, for me, Bhanuman Ahani, in the morning it is sun. Bhanuman means sun. Ratrau, in the night, Pradipadikam, lamp etc. are my sources of light. Then the Guru says, Syadevam. Yes, it is like that. Then the Guru puts another question. Ravi Deepa Darshana Vidhau Kim Jyotihi Me Akhyahi. Meaning, Me Akhyahi is tell me. Tell me, Ravi Deepa Darshana Vidhau, in seeing the sun and the lamp, Kim Jyotihi, what is the source of light? That is, the Guru is asking, through what do you see the light of the sun and the lamp? The Shishya says, Chakshuhu, meaning the eye. Then the Guru asks, Tasya Nimilanadi Samaye Kim Jyotihi. When the eyes are closed, then what is the source of light? The Shishya says, Dhihi, meaning the intellect. Then the Guru further asks, Dhiyaha Darshane Kim Jyotihi. What is the source of light to see the intellect? The Shishya says, Tatra Aham. There it is I. That is, I see my intellect. So, I is the source of light to see my intellect. Here, I refers to the self, the Atman. It is not the egoic I. It is that something within us which is not changing. So, even though my body, my thoughts, my behaviors are all changing very frequently, but still I am this Shubha. So, that one thing which is remaining unchanged, that I he is referring to. Then the Guru says, Ataha Bhavan Paramakam Jyotihi, meaning, so you are the supreme light. That is, you are nothing but that Brahman itself, which is the light of all lights. And listening to the words of the Guru, the Shishya realizes who he truly is and says, Tat Asmi Prabho, O Lord, I am that. That here refers to the supreme light that the Guru said. The Vedanta always empowers us by telling that you are nothing but that Brahman. That is the truth. This is so empowering, especially when we feel like helpless creatures, especially when we are stuck in life situations. Also, the Vedantic school teaches mainly through inquiry. It makes you think and realize for yourself instead of pushing dogmas and ideas forcefully into you. I sincerely wish that we all see the light of all lights within us. I hope you all enjoyed these beautiful shlokas and their meanings. I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. Deepavali Parvanaha Shubhashayaha. If you like this video and found value in it, then type Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, which means take me from darkness to light. If you want only the chanting portion so that you can chant along, or you can play it while lighting the lamp, or you just want to listen to these mantras to just mull over the meaning, then I will put only the chanting part of all the shlokas and also of individual shlokas and mantras in the playlist named Deepavali. Do check it out, and if you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, you will definitely get notified when I add these videos. So do consider subscribing. Also do share this video with as many people as possible so that all of them see the light of all lights within themselves. Agrime chitre melitasmi namo vah.